Guys, welcome to back my video. Today my name Ahmed. So we are going to make mojito. So we are going
What's
to
the
put
color of your mojito?
the blue one. There is all of different colors from here.
Okay.
Now we have this one, this cover, panda. Okay? So we are going to make this one.
What is that?
This is
Mint leaves.
mint leaves. Finish?
This one. Then next lemon.
Next is lemon.
Dun siya.
Finish.
One more. Dun siya.
One more.
And then make it squeeze.
We'll make a squeeze like that. Okay? Squeeze. Squeeze.
And
We need blue.
take two pump.
Two pump.
Alas. Finish.
Now we have this blue colors.
And this is
This
lemon.
lemon.
What is this?
Lemon. Lemon. Now we put this one from here. Now this is finished.
No, put ice.
Eyes first. Wait, okay? So I'll drink the mojito.
So now.
Eyes. More?
7 up.
First is 7-Up.
No, last is 7 up.
7-Up, okay?
Bay, bilisan mo kasi nagbi-video siya.
Here. This is 7-Up. We're going to put this one.
And cover it.
Now cover.
And then say thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Good.
Wait. We need some straw.
Thank you for watching. Say shake, shake, shake.
Shay.
Thank you
Ray.
for watching.
Thank you for watching. Goodbye, guys.